kids spend glued to screens, watching and reading insidious content that puts their minds and their bodies at risk. Parents are fighting a constant battle to keep their children safe in a rapidly evolving digital world. For instance, there has been a stunning increase in exploitative AI-generated deepfake revenge porn and images of victims, very frequently teenage girls. Thankfully, Congress rose to meet this challenge and passed my and Senator Klobuchar's bill to take it down, which makes clear that if you create and spread these heinous images of anyone, you'll face the full force of the law. But there's clearly much more work to be done to protect children online. Given the prevalence of online devices, children are often introduced to screens at a very young age and end up using them for a significant portion of the day. Children ages 8 to 12 now use screens an average of 5.5 hours each and every day. For teens, it's even higher, at 8 hours and 39 minutes each and every single day. Put another way, more than half of the time that a teenager is awake, he or she is staring at a screen. Parents intuitively know that excessive use of internet-connected devices like smartphones and tablets poses significant physical and mental health risks to children. Even many kids know it's a problem. Surveys routinely show large numbers of teenagers admit to spending way too much of time each day on a smartphone. Kids need time to be kids, to experience the real world, not to get lost in a virtual world. This phone-based childhood, predominantly spent on social media, has been documented to lead to social awkwardness, reduced self-confidence, a more sedentary childhood, fragmented attention, disrupted learning, addiction, social